it seems like the outside noise always surrounds Deegan coming into A1. Obviously, there's a lot riding the season, defending the 250 title, moving up into the 450s in motocross, and the fun outside things, or at least fun for me, as the spectator side of things, is the little back and forth now between him and Kai de Wolf. Obviously, Deegan didn't race motocross of nations this year, and that's kind of the scratching point, I guess you want to say, going back and forth, Wolf testing supercross, and you get a bunch of these stupid little pictures of them just Instagram AI stuff. It's fun. This to me is, I don't say it doesn't add anything to the sport. I mean, like, the racing is what is important. The winning, going out and proving that you are the fastest, you are better than everybody else. That's what matters. This is just, as a spectator, for me, kind of fun. It brings the dead off season back. Like, obviously A1 is this Saturday. That's the important part. That is the night show is what matters. It's going out, qualifying, getting a gate pick, racing, winning. That's what matters. But for we've been 2 months now without anything really going on. There's no racing, no nothing happening. It's something to keep you occupied, I guess. To me, it's the stupid things. Like, this doesn't matter. It's just, for me, pure fun. Like, Deegan, obviously, people hate him or love him. There's very little in between. And to do as much talking as he does, as much, shit talking and whatever, you've got to back it up. And he has. I mean, he's proven that he is not just a mouthpiece. He is competitive, a champion. He is going to be right up there, or should be. Who knows? We don't really know until he gets under the 450 and see where that goes. But he should be, one of the top guys for the next decade. And right up along there with Jet Lawrence. If Kai de Wolf ever comes over and races too, like, if you're going to talk as much, you've got to prove it. And he has. I'm excited for A1. I'm excited to see what happens. Obviously, we've got the whole list of the West Coast that's racing now. It's going to be a good time. I'm excited for Supercross to be back. And to me, this is just, again, pure fun. This is outside of the realm of racing. This is social media age stuff that would never really have happened before. I mean, obviously, for something like this, you would need to, like, your friend, talk shit to your friend who would have had to tell somebody who had to tell somebody who knows the guy you're talking shit to, and it has to be telephoned back to you. But to me, it's just interesting. It's personality, which I enjoy. I'd rather have somebody who talks shit and has personality and is there to back it up than just the cardboard cutout, gets up there, holds his energy drink sponsor up and thanks his 100 sponsors and then goes back to his bus. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you following this? Do you not care? Do you like Deegan? Do you hate him? Who do you think wins A1? Are you excited for it? Are you going to it? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.